There's Miro. Still acting up. But I'm too cheap to buy another one. I really am. So today I did something that some of you guys will call, I don't know, a desecration. Something bad to my Road King. Something just horrific. Literally horrific. Guess what I did to this beautiful Road King 2005 that I'm actually been dying to do. I've been dying to do this. And it's simple. I put a trunk. I got a trunk in my bike. And now here's the thing. You know you're old. You know that you are an old rider when you defend the fact that you have a trunk in your bike. You really are, right? They're practical. You could put your lunch. You could put your helmet. You could do so many different things. And ultimately, it's not only that they are practical, it's that they look cool. You really, in your heart, believe that the trunk looks cool in your bike. If you follow that category, or if you understand that, or if you agree with me, look at yourself. You are an old rider, right? Because trunks are for old people. And I am one of them. I really am. And I'm so happy that I got mine, because one of the best things about the Road King, and wow, there's a little bit of traffic today, is that the Road King could go down to like no windshield like I'm riding today, no trunk, and it has a really beautiful look. But at the same time, you could put a trunk on. I don't know what's the deal with this guy. Let's see. You could put a trunk on. You could put a windshield, which I don't have mine right now. And again, you have that full bagger. Essentially, you have everything you need. And what else do you need compared to all the baggers out there, right? You have, navigation, speakers, and things like that. I don't need that. You know, I got my phone here for navigation. I have a Cena right here for speakers and for music and things like that, right? So again, for all purpose, the Road King, you could put a trunk, you could put a windshield, and you have all the capabilities that anybody else have out there to travel. But at the same time, like I said, you take that stuff off and you got a sweet bike that is just awesome, and you can have a great time with it, right? So I like that about a Road King. You cannot do that with the other bikes. A Street Glide, a Road Glide, you can take that stuff off. And if you do, guess what it becomes? It becomes a Road King. That's what it is, because it's pretty much the same bike. But anyways, I wanted to give you a first look and kind of like show you the trunk. Now, it's really not going to be a review. It's really not going to be a first look or anything like that. I'm actually going to do a video where I'm going to get some B-rolls and I'm going to get some good footage of how the trunk looks and kind of give you some, first impression kind of thing. So stand by. Sometime around next week or so, I'm going to release that video. This one, I'm just going home, and I decided, because I'm excited about it, I decided to turn the GoPro on and kind of give you a look of how it looks. Now, like I said, guys, I understand that some people hate it. I understand that some people don't like it. But again, it's so good to have a platform such as a Road King that you could have that ability to put it on and put it off. And to me, it's just so awesome. And I was actually really excited about it, and I wanted to get one so bad, because here's the thing, which I'm about to tell you. Let me pull in the gas station first. Oh, what are we doing? I hate playing that game. You go, I go. No, you go. No, I go. I just hate literally playing that game. Let me park right here. You guys are familiar with this spot right here. But again, I want to show you how it looks. And again, the biggest thing that I had in my case was the fact that I wanted to have a place to put my helmet. I know it's kind of stupid, but it is what it is. Let me see. And there it is. Nice. Gonna give you all different looks. Look at that. By the way, it's the Viking bags, and it's the same one that match my bags right now. So it's kind of like the full system. If you're looking to, you know, get one, it's gonna be the full system. You see it right there. Really nice. Got this little thing right here for back support, obviously. I got a Hogs Works mount, and you see the mount right there. Again, when I do the first initial video, you're going to be able to see all that stuff, and you're going to be able to see everything. That's kind of how it looks from this side. Kind of giving you every look, so you can kind of get an idea. It gives you so much space, guys. This is always the nice side of the bike. Like from here, it looks sexy from here. Nice, very, very nice. Look at it from here. I paid about $373 for the trunk and sill, and I paid about $100 and something for the mount. Again, guys, I don't want to get into details. I don't want to get into none of that stuff, because I'm going to leave that for my initial video and kind of give you, like, obviously a really good, you know, I don't know, like the details, the specs, and things like that. I just wanted to give you a quick look. Like I say, some of you guys hate this kind of stuff. Some of you guys don't like this. But I'm going to tell you, the amount of capabilities that it gives you is insane. Truly, truly insane, guys. You could do so many different things with a trunk. You know, if you go camping, I mean, the amount of space that you have in there is phenomenal. I mean, you could get so much things to pack in there. If you do motor vlogging and things like that, it's nice to be able to put your camera equipment. But one thing that it was just annoying the crap out of me, really, really bad, was the fact that every single time I went somewhere and I got down, I got this helmet that is $500, I got this camera, I got the Cena, and then guess what? I have to carry the stuff. And I'm walking around these places holding this helmet, and it's just so annoying. I'm sick of holding my helmet. I want to go to places. I want to be able to essentially walk around. I want to be able to have a great time. I want to be able to put my hat on, and I don't have to carry a bulky helmet like I got right now. I just don't want to do it, and that's why I got a trunk, one of the biggest thing. And by the way, it's great to put your lunch in there as well. I got my cold weather gear that I wear this morning in there because it's a gorgeous day right now. So anyway, stay tuned. Sometime next week, we're going to do a detailed video. We're going to get some nice B-roll and all that stuff, and I'm going to show it to you guys. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.